Hello again, everyone. Today is March 1st. I've brought the van over here to the house. This weekend I'm going to work on a few little issues that need to be fixed on the van and get it ready. Nothing real serious, but just little bitty things. And well, one of the things I did, not because I needed it, but mainly because I wanted it, I have installed this little holder for plastic bags for the garbage can. I had the bags just sitting in one of the drawers right there, so I went ahead and mounted that. One of my problems I have is on my compartment for the generator, these locks are rusted out and they don't work. So I'm going to be working on that. I actually don't know if I'll get to that this weekend, but I went ahead and bought the parts. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it right here. They need some attention. And the metal around it's kind of trying to see how loose, so that will be taken care of pretty soon. Another thing that I'm going to work on is this little valve for the fresh water tank. It's kind of deteriorated and doesn't work. Right there. You can see, I mean, you can't turn it. Oh, you can a little bit, but it's real hard. But this is busted on the bottom too. So I'm gonna be replacing that. I'm gonna do a little video on how to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna caulk around some of the edges, and I figured I would go ahead and replace this before I do it. So yeah, that's what I'm working on, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little video of how to install that, so stay tuned. Okay, what I've done so far is I've drained all the water out. It's still dripping a little bit, but I've unscrewed these screws using a regular Phillips head screwdriver. So let's see. There we go. And there it is. And let's see. It should just pop right out. I may have to set the camera down and do it. So I will check back as soon as I pull it out. Okay, I got a little ahead of myself. It doesn't just pull right out. I forgot that there was a clamp on there, and that had to come through the, whoops, no, that just came out. This ring had to go through that little hole, which was a pain, but it did get through. I tried accessing it through the inside underneath my couch, but that didn't work. Can't really see, but it was way down there, and there's almost where that little light is, or the hole. But there was two walls, the interior wall, and then actually outside the van, and that clamp was on the inside between the two walls, so there's no real way to get to it. But with a little bit of finagling, it came out through here. So I've got the new piece right here, just like the old one. And this will just push right in there, and then you just tighten the clamp and bolting it back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. Gotta put my camera down, use both hands, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, well there's the new spigot in. Took a lot longer than I planned, trying to get the little screw or the clamp back through that hole, but it's in there now, and it's a lot easier to turn, a lot better than this one that was broke. See, the little handle was gone too, so like, very hard to open. But yeah, tomorrow when I do the caulking around some of the windows and everything, I'm gonna just back these screws back out, and I'm gonna put a bead of caulking around it, seal that off, and while I was at it, I went ahead and cleaned all of the old off, so now it's set. But yeah, that's about it. And got some other projects that I want to do in here. Like I said, in one of the other videos, I'm gonna do a floor, and yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but that's about it. And as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.